will fight for the right for Muhoozi to speak his nonsense, but not with that office.
Eyaliko first son, mutabani wa Obote, Jimmy Akena, yavuddeyo na labula oba naawa amagezi eri General Muhoozi ku bintu byonna ebigenda mu maaso. Era ono teyabadde musanyufu olw'ebyo byonna Muhoozi byavaayo okwogera, ebyo byonna ebikolebwa Muhoozi n'avaayo ne yeewaana kwegana alaga nti tewali kintu kyonna kiyinza kumukolebwako. Ono yamulabudde amutegeeza nti buli kimu kyonna kibaako n'akaseera. Waliwo akaseera nga gwe first son era nga gwe mutabani wa president, naye waliwo akaseera kagenda okujja nga tokyali mutabani wa president era nga tokyaliko security n'abasirikale abakutambulirako, nga kino kitegeeza ojja kuba ofuuse omuntu owa bulijjo era ng'olina okuwangalira mu bantu aba bulijjo. Era n'amulabula nti kino kijja kumubeerera kizibu era tamanyi wajja okikola, era n'amugamba nti ye asobodde okubeera mu bantu olw'ensonga nti ye yali yeeyisa bulungi era nga ye waddembe okutambula mu bantu nga bw'ayagala nga talina kyeyeeraliikirira kubanga talina kibi kye yali akoze abantu. Jimmy Akena ono ye pulezidenti w'ekibiina kya UPC era nga kino ekibiina kyekyali ekya kitaawe Dr. Milton Obote. Ono ye y'omu ku bantu abatatya okwatulira Muhoozi nga emirundi egy'enjawulo azze nga amugambako mu bintu eby'enjawulo era nga waliwo ne yavaayo n'ategeeza nti talina buzibu na Muhoozi kwogera byonna by'ayogera, naye obuzibu abulina kuba nti Muhoozi byonna by'akola ne by'ayogera abyogerera ng'ali mu ofiisi ennene oba oliawo eyandisaanidde okuweebwa ekitiibwa, nga omuntu agirimu alina okubaako ebintu ebimu bye yeekomako okwogera saako n'okukola.
Somebody at the position of CDF, I think number 27 in the hierarchy, issuing orders, passing sentences, 10 years. Who are you? The Uganda which we want, Uganda must work for all of us. If Uganda is this abandoned patient, let the doctors stand up, let the nurses be there, let all of those who care for this Uganda stand up and be counted. Son of a former president. It's a very different issue. Very different. And there's no presidency which is forever. You are going to be a son of a former president at some point, and now you're going to have to come to a different level and interact with others also. I think this isolation and this security thing, locking down places is going to remain forever. I've spent most of my life outside of those trappings, but I've lived in those trappings. I can address myself, I can move freely amongst people because of the conduct of those who came before us. So, choices have to be made, and those choices, many of those choices are not us to make. It is those in the first family to make the choices which is going to benefit them, but where we are concerned is when it affects Uganda, I have a right to speak. If you choose whether or not you're going to solve these other issues, that's yours. But for Uganda, I must speak. For your own benefit, it's up to you whether you decide to do so or not. But what I can assure Muhoozi, there's no presidency forever. When you're a son of a former president, life may be very different. Prepare for it. Uganda People's Congress will not be quiet. And I call upon my sister parties, let us save our country. Who is going to save it for us? There are those who want to run abroad. It's our country. The Americans have had their interests. Other people have had their interests. They talked about the Great Lakes region. What is happening in the Great Lakes region? Uganda has a finger. I saw recently, it's effectively we are controlling Eastern Congo or the economic routes. I would not complain so much if it was benefiting the citizens of Uganda. Statistics, recently the president was talking, life expectancy, birth rates. It's critical. Ugandans are dying. One statistic which shocked me, 26% of the children under 5, Uganda children under 5 are stunted. Stunted. I have lived in many places, I've been a refugee. And there's no country which is as blessed as Uganda. We go around the country blessed by nature, but we cannot even feed our own children. 26% of Ugandan children are stunted. That's physically stunted. Meaning mentally, they had many more damaged.